What is X? Twitter's new identity. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. If you've tried to install Twitter recently, you'll see that you won't find it, only X. Twitter has decided to rebrand their new platform to a new name, X. The new branding is more aligned with Elon Musk's other ventures. The new logo is a flashy black and white X icon, replacing the classic Twitter bird. The post is also now simply called Post instead of Tweets. The app otherwise remains the same, and the process to post and use the app hasn't changed much. However, X CEO says X is the future state of an unlimited interactivity centered in audio, video, messaging, payments, and banking, creating a global marketplace for ideas, goods, services, and opportunities. Powered by AI, X will connect us all in ways we're just beginning to imagine. Based on this statement, we can expect many new features to be added in the future. Let us know your thoughts on this new rebranding of Twitter in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.